Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you're unable to install version 2.5H2 on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to use Windows 11 installation assistant. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Here you can see Windows 11 installation assistant. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. And if you see update option or install option, you can install it from here and then check. In my case, it's already up to date. Now still not working. The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, then copy the second command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete over here, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working. The next step is to start these services. So type in services in Windows search box, click on services, find Windows Update, scroll down at the bottom here you can see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click on background intelligent transfer service, click on restart. Now scroll up, somewhere at the top you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update in Windows settings, and then if you see retry option, you can retry and then check. Still not working. The next step is to go to Windows Update in Windows settings. Over here you can see pause update option. Click on pause over here. Once it is paused, now click on resume updates. So sometimes a simple pause and resume works. So you can resume the updates and then try to install. Still not working. The next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then update. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. And then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. Save it to desktop. Save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. And let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to update your Windows 11 to version 2.5H2 successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.